Hey guys, welcome once again to Good News Jamaica, where we search the island for hidden gems. Today we have with us Miss Tamica, Whatatamtam, Muschette.
Hi.
Singer, dancer, and actress extraordinaire. What's going on?
I am good. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for taking the time out to come and sit with us today.
Yes, always a pleasure. You know, when I heard the name Hidden Gem, I was like, wow.
Fit you, right?
Fit me, yeah.
Right.
Something to unearth, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah.
So let's just start by telling the viewers, who is Tamica?
Okay, so my name, Tamica Muschette. I am a jovial person. I love music. I have always been interested in music and aspiring for a music career. However, you know, your parents, big up my mother, Miss Pauline Muschette and Trevor Muschette, Daddy would want me to be a life insurance underwriter. And a couple times in my life I was prodded. And you know, because you're a child and you aspire to please your parents, you go out. But I just never liked that. And then they would say, because I talk a lot, I should be a lawyer. And but then I love entertaining people. And I always knew that it would be entertainment. So I loved to act out like movie roles. I would watch like Lord of the Rings, and I would act out Smeagol. And the favorite, like,
hold on, so Smeagol is the ugly one in the movie, right?
Yeah, ugly, but he was such a very like intense, playful character. I love the intensity. I guess it's out. I'm a dramatic person.
I can definitely.
Yeah, I'm very spontaneous and vibrant. You know, I always consider myself a vibe. You know, so I myself, Whatatamtam, what a vibe. Yeah, so that's how I see myself.
That's
what
her
a
name.
vibe. Yeah.
Make sure so to remember the name there.
Right.
So like when did this creativity start? Like when did it come about?
Okay, so I was a part of the vast prep choir, Wilma's High School for Girls choir, big them up. Also, I was a part of ASHE, Caribbean Performing Arts Company, with Mr. Joseph and Conrad Wilson, Tanya Flowers, Shireen. So I've always been in the performing arts, to be honest, but it was always like a conflict being corporate and being artistic. And I was capable of marrying both, and I have multiple personas, and I dial in different personas.
It's not split personality, right?
No, not split personality. Multiple personas in terms of like I become what is required. I can camouflage. I can camouflage. So yeah. So given that note, I also was deterred from the music industry. Differently from what my parents also aspired me to be other stuff. Right? Because my mom thought I was going to be a lawyer. My father wanted me to sell life insurance because that's what he did. And also politics. They were saying I could be a politician. So many things were thrown out.
But it's never too late.
It's never too late.
You can be a creative and fulfill all those dreams. It just depends on you.
Right. But right now, what really happened is that music industry did not seem a favor to me back in the day, because I heard about a lot of female oppression, or I suspected a lot of female oppression. But since 2020, give thanks to coffee, you know, and other females that I see making strides in the music industry, and I don't see any sexual oppression. I have now the courage to come out and do some serious music. So I just want to say big up to Coffee for that, because if it wasn't for her, I would be like, you know, I would just continue just living my nice regular corporate life and just forget about my artistic side. So that's basically where it's at. I'm very proud of other females in the music industry too. Spice, you know, Chensia, and yeah.
So you said that you do sing. Would it be possible for us to actually hear you sing something?
Yes, of course. I can give you something a cappella. And incorporate two things. Yeah, I could give you something.
Okay, so go impromptu.
All right. I have what I'm known for. One of my first songs, because I really started my journey in 2020. I would say summer, so July, August 2020. I would say I start my journey to say, okay, I'm going to do music seriously. Started writing songs, and this song poured out of my soul.
Okay.
And it was just how I feel about Jamaica and what is going on with COVID.
Okay.
You know, because as an artist, you look at the environment and you take inspiration and you talk. Yeah. So this one is called "Situation is a Jam." All right, so go. Situation is a jam, COVID-19 take a stand, and I Whatatamtam, see people now get along. The earth where used to be so clean, like green spun greens, and people are so pure like a sweet melody. No, if you hail a man a street, watch out for him sneeze in a highway or street, in the mago beat. Wow, 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 wow. It's a lockdown. Stay in your own town. It's a lockdown. Wearing a mask essential now. It's a lockdown. The world a reset now. It's a lockdown. We must unite right now, whoa, because a Jaja drop a plan to save we nation. I use all our way humanitarian, so COVID-19 will make everybody frown. If you get ready, if you go choke off and drown, cause nothing no nice like we sweet jam down. We ja inna the ship, we can smell at the storm. We ja inna the ship, we can smell at the storm. But situation is a jam, COVID-19 take a stand, and I Whatatamtam, see people now get along. The earth where used to be so clean, like green spun greens, and people are too pure like a sweet melody. No, if you hail a man a street, watch out for him sneeze in a highway or street, in the mago beat.
People, when you hear that, Whatatamtam.
It's a lockdown.
Love it, relatable, love it.
Yeah, you know?
It's kind of ironic, so you mentioned the part about hear the man a sneeze. I can recall being in Tree when COVID just started. More sneeze, I may tell you, I have to go around a corner, run one part just for the sneeze.
Oh my God.
So,
see?
Yeah, man,
you know, I get beat.
Can you imagine? Love the talent. So like, where do you see your talent within the next coming years? How would you want to see your talent?
How I'd want to see my talent, I really want to educate the youths. Let me tell you what went wrong. We weren't taught entrepreneurship in school, and right now what I'm seeing now, I think the government made a big boom no. We should have invested more in skilled persons, because persons like me who actually went to what they would call the standard high school, or you just say the one that they want to keep at a certain level in terms of just being scholastic alone. Because right now, look at me. It's 2021 and I have a degree from UTech. Big up UTech, by the way. Business administration with marketing management. But I'm using my talent to earn an income, you know. And recently I've been a part of the KPM Talent Search Season 3, and
nice.
Yeah.
And you did win.
I won. I'm the winner. Let me shake myself.
Champion.
Sorry, I just feel like, you know, goofy like. But yeah, I want that. And it, you know, what I want to tell persons out there is that use your talent. It can help you to earn. Use your skill. It can help you to earn. Don't just rely on being scholastic. Right now, more than ever, 2021 is showing me that you have to use your skill. You have to use your talent. You have to be creative to survive in these times. And this is the best time. And also, I have to big up Talent, Gifts and Skills TV. LinkTree, and they have a YouTube channel as well. They're asking persons to subscribe, and they're also on Instagram. I did a clash with season 2 winner, which is Nina K, on November 7, 2021. That's last week, and we had a draw, and I got some money via MoneyGram.
Big up, payments.
Yeah, $5,000. So once again, I'm just telling young people, don't sit down on your talent,
and
don't give up on your talent. If you have music inside of you, write it, and don't wait for validation. You know, because sometimes that can also slow you down. Yeah, just go there and just be you, and just pray, ask God for guidance, because to be honest, He knows everything before you even start doing it. So
him set out the journey.
Yeah, him set out the journey. So He knew I would be here, and He's laughing right now. I think God is like the biggest Kevin Hart, but Him mash up Kevin Hart like him. That's what me laugh for. Like, as I get to understand Him more, I appreciate Him, and I realize that He loves things to have like a spin.
Okay.
I don't know for you, but he I could tell you some more stuff. I can't tell you all my stories, because I have a next song called I Do What I Want, where I explain that all my stories can be told. So probably that's why. And my music, for me, when I write it, it's like I'm writing things to happen. Sometimes I write some things and I don't know why I write it, and then later on I see it manifest
itself. Alright, so actually, being that you actually mentioned that song, why don't you actually give us a piece of that song before we actually close up?
Okay, I have another song now. I love my country. I love Jamaica very much. I'm an island girl. I love animals, I love flowers and those things. So I think about my country, I think about the people and the contents of the country and a whole vibration. And there's this song that etches my soul right now, and I call it Pre the Times. Okay. I'm just gonna sing the chorus. It go like this. And when me pre the times, the corruption and the crimes, the people out the road and them a cry, it make me blood boil. Oh, the system full of strife, poor people out the road and them a die. I feel wonder how we survive upon the judgment line. Humanity, we really need a sign, and me I feel ask why. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why, yeah. That's Whatatamtam for you, isn't it? Pre in the times. And let me tell you something, pre everything.
After.
Pre everything. Pre where your parents said to you, pre your friends, pre everything. Don't take everything as face value. That's what I've also learned. Be a thinker. And even when everybody said don't overthink, trust the overthinker, because overthinker has thought of many ways or something can fail and never fail, or saw the ways and possibilities to go on even when people are saying no. So always trust yourself. Your inner overthinker, your instinct, work with that. People, best believe.
People, Whatatamtam is a gem within itself. Is a mess. Love it. Love the content that you're putting out. Love the drive that you have on the thought process. And I just want to say thank you very much for taking the time to come in and speak with us. But before we do go, please provide the viewers with your contact information, how they can get in contact with you.
Couple contact information. I'm on TikTok, TikTok.
I call it TikTok, you know.
TikTok at Whatatamtam. That's Whatatamtam. I'm also on Instagram, which is Whatatamtam, and I'm also on Facebook, which is Whatatamtam. I'm going to get my LinkedIn back up and my Twitter back up. So it's going, when that come back up, it's going to be Whatatamtam as well.
Whatatamtam. Pronounce it for them again.
Whatatamtam. And the meaning of my name, I didn't even tell you guys. It actually means sweet water, because Tamica is actually origin from Africa, which is the word tamu, which means sweet. Okay. So when you say Whatatamtam, water is water. So you're saying what a sweet. So my name is Sweet Water. And in Nigeria, the word is Oshun. Okay. So if it was in Nigeria, they refer to me as Oshun. Okay. But in Jamaica, Whatatamtam.
So people, Whatatamtam, aka Sweetwater.
Sweetwater.
All right. So guys, thank you very much. Yeah, what a vibe here chilling with Sweetwater. Guys, just want to say thank you very much for tuning in once more. And I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more awesome interviews. Whatatamtam.
I want to drop my video with you guys. As soon as I post my video, I'm going to give you guys excerpts.
Listen to me, man.
Yes.
Anytime you're ready, just let us know.
And anybody want to work with me, I'm out there willing and open. I have no record label signed yet, nothing at all. So if anyone is out there that want to, collaborate or, want to invest in what I have, I am open to suggestions. Guys. Okay, so thank you again.
Have an awesome creative. Don't forget to she sing, she dance, and she can act.
Yes.
Smeagol, she have the Smeagol voice down.
You want me to do it?
You know what? Before we finish, go on.
Okay. Master Trixes, Master Delight, but no, he's a fat hobbit. He eats all of it. He ate it all.
Choose up a spine. People, stay blessed and stay tuned to Good News Jamaica for more awesome content. Peace.
Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good,